Alright folks, so what we have here is a Yaesu FT-70D, and in this video what we are going to do is we're going to run through the power settings and we're going to test them on an SWR and power meter. So in order to accomplish this we need a couple of things. First off, this is a series of adapters that run from the SMA female on the radio to the PL239 on my Nisei RS40 power and SWR meter. Let's make sure this thing is set correctly. I want the function to be at power and I want the range to be down at 10 watts. We are also going to use a MFJ dry dummy load, and what this allows to do is transmit into the dummy load as opposed to the antenna, so our signal won't go anywhere and we won't create any harmful interference. Let me go ahead and set this up. Alright, that wasn't too bad, now was it? So for this test, we're going to test it on two bands, the 2 meter and 70 centimeter band, which are the bands where this radio operates. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to set it to a couple of frequencies, 146.52, and then we are going to run through high, medium, and then low settings, and we're going to record the results in this piece of paper, and then I'm going to put them on a spreadsheet and show you the spreadsheet. One of the things that I noticed, in order to set the power on this, the easiest way to do that is to press the function key and then press the 1 key and then rotate the knob. And one of the things I noticed is that this menu is heavily menu driven, and I think that's the way ham radio is going. As these little radios get more and more feature packed, you have two options. One is to add more controls, or one is to add more menu options to it, and it looks like most companies are going towards menu options. What makes that tough is that every radio that you have to remember a different sequence to do simple tasks. I'm not really complaining about it, I'm just pointing it out and just acknowledging that that's the reality of ham radio when you get these kind of devices. On this particular radio, there is a TXPO indicator above the 1 key in orange, and that lets you know that you do need to use the function key. So it's easy to use and it's not that difficult to remember. It's just one more step. Okay, and we are just finishing up here, and then what we're going to do is take a look at our spreadsheet. So here are the results. We tested on two frequencies, 146.520 and 446.000. As mentioned, we did high, medium, and low. The radio is rated at 5 on high, 2 on medium, and 0.5 on low. And the results were, it was completely accurate, all the way down to where you get to low on your UHF frequency. It tested a little bit higher than 5 watts. It wasn't quite 1 watt, so I'm going to go ahead and say it was 0.75, but that's an approximation. I was actually really surprised at how accurate and dead on this radio was. It's a testament to Yaesu's quality control. And that's a quick one. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them below. Or if you like the video, click the thumbs up, share, or subscribe. Appreciate everybody watching. Thank you.